Welcome to Shastra Science for the science loving mind. Shastra Science presents Indians nominated for Nobel but never won. The Nobel Prize is one of the highest and prestigious prizes which is annually awarded in the memory of the chemist, engineer, and industrialist Alfred Nobel. India is a country of art, science, and colors. Indians have received 10 Nobel Prizes till now, and the list includes Rabindranath Tagore Literature, Chandrasekhar Venkataraman Physics, Hargobind Khorana Medicine, Mother Teresa Peace, Subramanian Chandrasekhar Physics, Amartya Sen Economics, Vidyadhar Surja Prasad Naipaul Literature, Venkataraman Ramakrishnan Chemistry, Kailash Satyarthi Peace, Abhijit Vinayak Banerjee Economics. However, there are many Indians nominated for Nobel Prize many times but have never won. Shastra Science list out them. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, had become a symbol of non-violence in the 20th century through his freedom struggle. He was the leader who gave millions of Indians hope to lead a free life. His principle had become a worldwide philosophy, and Gandhi was acknowledged as one of the leading leaders. Mr. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was nominated 4 times for the Nobel Peace Prize but never won it. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the teacher who served India as vice president and president, has inspired many. He was an amazing teacher, and even after being in politics, he had continued to impart knowledge to the future generations. To this dedication, his birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India. Dr. Radhakrishnan was nominated 11 times for Nobel Peace Prize and 14 times for literature, but never won. R.K. Narayan. He is one of the best known Indo-English writer, and his imaginary town story Malgudi Days has brought many laurels and was widely loved by his audience. It is the 21st century now, and still people love to read Malgudi Days and watch the movies based on the stories written by him. He was nominated multiple times for the Nobel Prize in literature but never won. Meghnad Saha. He is considered to be the pioneer of astrophysics. Saha developed the thermal ionization equation, which is used to describe chemical and physical conditions in stars. The work of Saha allowed astronomers to accurately relate to spectral classes of stars to their actual temperature. He has been nominated 7 times for the Nobel Prize in Physics but did not make it to the winning medal. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, the Indian nuclear physicist, is colloquially known as the father of the Indian nuclear program. Bhabha has founded many atomic and physics research centers in India. He has been nominated 5 times for the Nobel Physics Prize but did not win. Satyendranath Bose. Bose was an Indian mathematician and physicist specializing in theoretical physics. He is a pioneer figure of quantum mechanics who had worked with Einstein. They both developed the foundation for Bose-Einstein statistics and the theory of Bose-Einstein condensation. He was one of the Indians nominated for Nobel Prize 3 times but could not win. Many of his successors carry forwarded his developments and have won the award. Thiruvengadam Rajendran Sheshadri or T.R. Sheshadri. He was an Indian chemist whose research in organic chemistry is being studied till date. He is well known for his research on Indian medicinal and other plants. The academician, writer, and Indian chemist has been nominated for the Nobel but didn't win. Jagdish Chandra Bose, the physicist, biophysicist, and botanist, is well known worldwide. He pioneered the investigation of radio and microwave optics and made significant contributions to plant science as well. He is considered as the unsung hero of Wi Fi technology. His research contributed to radar, radio space, telescopes, collision warning systems, and a lot more. He was nominated for the Nobel Prize many times but didn't win. Ennakal Chandi George Sudarshan, an Indian theoretical physicist from Kerala, who was the first one to theorize the existence of tachyons, particles that travel faster than the speed of light in a vacuum. He has criticized many theories and introduced his perspective with calculation and proof. His research has nominated him multiple times to the Nobel, but he missed it. Upendranath Brahmachari. He was an Indian scientist and the leading medical practitioner of those days. He is credited for urease dibamine, which was an effective treatment for the deadly Kala Azar. He was the only nomination for the Nobel Medicine Prize from India, but unfortunately this was missed. If you like my presentation, please share and subscribe. Thank you.